Okay, whenever you're ready, guys.
Okay, y'all want to hear this one. By Miss Celle.
And Dessarina, baby.
Nah, this is
And Nise-atchi.
Nise-atchi.
Damianah-Locc, baby.
Baby.
So I tell you how I feel.
How I
Feel.
That was only practice. Come on, Celle.
Right now?
Right now?
No, tomorrow.
Oh.
I know you. I want you guys all to be blessed by Miss Celle's voice right now. And this song is called "I Don't Want to Wait in Vain for Your Love."
It feels like it's close, but it's only just make it like you can barely see your face. So don't even try.
The very first time I placed my eyes on you, boy.
Tell them.
I just follow.
This one's to you, Miss Pono.
What's the
Oh my God, you got her.
Oh, golly. Okay. Let's see.
Yeah.
I don't wanna wait in vain for you.
No vein waiting.
I don't wanna wait in vain for your love.
From the very. She don't want to wait.
You gotta touch it. What's the
She
first
don't
one?
want.
I don't know the words. It's gonna be hella long. I don't wanna wait. No.
No wait in vain for your love.
Shout out to Pono. It won't even feel like. Watch you go watch it after.
You know that part, right? It's been 3 years.
These biatches are boring.
But I still cannot. What's the rest of it?
Can I zoom? You know, it's
What's the rest of
the
it? though?
background.
How can we not know this song?
How about turn your lights down low? I like that one.
I know. I'm gonna say that too.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, same gaze, Alicia Gaze. Turn your light down low.
Turn your lights down low, Miss Celle, Miss Nise, and Miss Des on deck. Say what?
Okay. Damn, we're stupid.
No, that she's saying it. Her, this one.